Hello, guys. So if you work on JavaScript, maybe you know that there is a function that is named indexof, and this function will allow us to know if a sentence is in a sentence. Uh, there is a word that we're looking for. So I wanted to teach you, really show you the way that do some function that does something as index of. So I will create a function that is the same thing as an index of a function does. And in addition to that, we'll also to return the number of times the word appear in a sentence. So let us start with that. I have here my editor and I create a file and I create my script, the script tag here, okay. And I create my function called look for and look for. Okay, look for. Okay, look for. So here we are gonna put our string or object. In here we'll put our test shirt. Okay. So first thing we're gonna check this string is real string or not. So I need to create here a variable called string. Also other variable called timer, and other will be our index. So index will be 0 for the moment, and timer also 0. Okay, each string will be equal time off. Yeah, time off. Time off that search. I prefer to write like that. Okay. Okay, type off. We're gonna check the string now. If I roll string, return true. No, I got it. Put that. Okay. And if okay, if is string equal true, so I will convert this array. No third. Oh. So here we need to put string or object.
Putain, le book raffiné, ça fait.
Okay. What do you say, guy? Uh, so the stream or object if it's a role stream, so I will convert this one using that. Okay. After that, use my loop for index of 0, stream object 10 index plus. Okay. And the time that the word appear in our function. So our table of sentence. So here response. Okay. Response equal no for the moment. Okay. If string object index equal no, yeah, equal that search. No. Okay. We're gonna add the timer and get the response. true. Okay. Mm, for else, response, for else, do nothing. So in this case, report will be equal false by default. Okay. And my function finished now. I will call my function here. I need a return timer uh, this function. Mm, so I prefer return add object and repose. Regret repose. Return add object repose equal repose, and the timer time equal timer. So that's really good. And now is already done my function. So let's have a look on that and return that. Go here, console log. Okay, I put my sentence here. I love, love is love. Let me search the love word. So we're gonna check that and I will edit all. I think everything is gone here, good here. Okay, because it will recognize the space or so. And I what is my code? Okay, and that's up. Okay, this is my code. We're gonna open our console log and say string is not defined and line 13. Okay, we're gonna check, right? Say that. Mm, okay, is true that this string is not defined again. Why? Mm, 20. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. One here. Okay. It showed me that love return false. Response mean that doesn't exist, and the timer is 0. Something's gone bad here because love I have here. Oh yeah, because it needed to write like the way I write here. And the clean here. I refresh my browser and time what again is show me false and the time 0, meaning that something is gone really bad here. I need to check this diffusion. Mm, so what's going on here? Oh yeah, I just forget this word length. Okay, now the time to check again, and so it's a return false and the time return is 3, mean that it appears to the time that the response is false. So the response must be true. For that, I come here to check my error, and I say here response. Maybe I write wrong. Yeah, I write real wrong here. Response, and right again, clean that, and I refresh my browser, and I say that it's truly this word exists in my object, my table, and this word appear 2 times in my table because the word is love, and I write 2 times, 3 times here, love, 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 and search love in a sentence and say that the love is truly Actually, in a sentence, but also return the response. Yes, it's true, and the time. So this function is really good and really useful if you want to use in your code. And so I think this is really useful for the developer. So now I will uh, just delete that and try again. It will appear 2 times because it does appear. It will appear 2 times now because of the last one out here. So 2 times. That's real good. Real good. Real good. Like an index of that. This function help help us in our real life situation. So I hope you love this video and try to do something like that and use the function your 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 code because it's really useful. So thank you for watching this video and goodbye.